shit, ayy. Mama gon' walk my shit, ayy. Let me start just a hill quick. Pick up our ice and broken bricks. Mama gon' walk my shit, ayy. Mama gon' talk my shit, ayy. Playing the game for the love it, yeah. So this is life, got no fun in it, yeah. As it was told, mama, you reached up a goal. I know this shit's getting deep. I'm on the road, I just be leaving my show. Came in the club with some freaks, feel like a tank. She wanna join the ranks, first she can get on her knees. I'm too wavy, I'm too wavy, yeah.
Hey guys, so today I am going to be watercoloring some hair, and I'm starting off with a blonde 613 wig. Unfortunately, I forgot where this wig is from. I paid money for it, but it's been so long since I had it. It's been sitting around. I didn't know what to do with it. So finally I know what to do with it, but I forgot where it's from, so sorry about that. So yeah, starting off, I am going to be dyeing the roots. Y'all know I like my natural roots, so I'm going to be dyeing the roots dark brown, and y'all done seen me do this a million times. If not, go check out my other videos. And yeah, just keep watching from here.
I got sauce, yeah. Fuck with a king, I'm a boss, yeah. Shooting star, I can make you famous. Wishing on a nigga that become the greatest, oh yeah. You got juice, I got sauce, yeah. Fuck with a king, I'm a boss, yeah. Shooting star, I can make you famous. Wishing on a nigga that become the greatest, oh yeah. Start a vibe in a meanwhile, and my man them white seats stay crease on. It's a whole lot of hoes playing roles now. I may have to talk in code on the phones now, hey. She got me trying to leave the studio. For my first love, I just can't seem to let it go. Imagine if I let you take my juice. You'd run away and prove me right about you. And it feels to know your ex was mad about us dating.
So the two colors that I'm going to be using to watercolor is the Adore Lavender and the Vivid Violet by Kiss, and I have 2 bottles of each. So I'll be starting off with hot water, and I'm just showing you the amount of hot water that I use. And the first color that I'm starting off with at the top of the wig is the Adore Lavender color. So here I'm just testing, you know, the amount of color that I want it to be and the color that I desire. So the less the better. So just slowly start pouring the color in there, and then kind of dip the wig in there or dip your bundles in there until you get the desired color that you are looking for. And guys, while coloring this hair, even though I have 2 bottles of each, I only had to use 1 bottle. So yeah, you do save a whole lot of color doing the watercolor method. Now that I got my desired shade of lavender that I want, I have a marker where the rubber band is on the wig where I want the lavender to stop at. So that's where I'll be dipping the hair until the lavender gets up to that marker. And then as I get close to the marker, I'm just kind of splashing the water so that it is a faded line and not just a blunt straight line of color, so that it easily fades into the next color. And while I'm doing this, I just want you guys to know that I actually been thinking about doing a giveaway when I hit 10,000 subscribers. So yeah, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you're watching right now, subscribe, thumbs up this video. And just let me know in the comment section if you guys are interested in me doing a giveaway.
I got sauce, yeah. Fuck with a king, I'm a boss, yeah. Shooting star, I can make you famous. Wishing
Now for the second go round, I'm starting off with fresh hot water, and this time I'll be using the Vivid Violet color by Kiss. And once again, I'm just testing the hair and the color and making sure that the desired color I'm going for is not too dark but not too light at the same time.
She got me trying to leave the studio. But my first love, I just can't seem to let it go. Imagine if I let you take my juice. You'd run away and prove me right about you. And it feels to know your ex was mad about us dating. So the motion is to keep you fully hydrated, girl. It's a mad vibe when I'm with you. Baby girl, you're the only one that I'm into. But this sauced up, juiced up, instrumental is only to prepare you for what's going through your mental juice. It's a mad vibe when I'm with you. Baby girl, you're the only one that I'm into. But this
Now that I got the desired shade of purple that I want, I'll be removing that marker that I had and just combing through the hair and dipping the remainder of the wig into the water. When I dip the hair, I'll be dipping it right above where the lavender stops so that the hair shapes and fades properly, and just combing through the hair so that I can make sure I'm getting every strand of blonde. Now for the tips, this time I won't be starting off with fresh water. I'm just going to use what I already have. And to get this last color on the tips, I kind of freestyled it. So I use a more vivid violet, and then I use just a little bit of the lavender color as well. And I'm making sure that I get it dark enough to where it's not clashing with the vivid violet color I already have, so that you can clearly see these are dark tips.
Hey, Calibrate, motherfucker, yeah. YC, Tiny. Too much juice, too much sauce. Too much juice, too much sauce. Hey, want some of her, want some of them, want some of me, girl, be honest. You juiced up, you sauced up, you make up, I'll be honest. It kinda makes me wanna pour you up a glass. And the curves in your dress, batty boys come on faster. He only like you cause the diamonds in your fashion. See me, I'm gonna bring a mixer to your passion. Let's OD, keep me in mind when you think of loving someone. No, baby, not me, I give you what you need when it ain't no juice, I got it. You're like a light that won't shine bright unless you've had my juice. But girl, tonight, I'm on that flight, I'm on my way to you. You got juice, I got sauce, yeah. Fuck with a king, I'm a boss, yeah. Shooting star, I can make you famous. Wishing on a nigga that become the greatest, oh yeah. You got juice, I got sauce, yeah. Fuck with a king, I'm a boss, yeah. Shooting star, I can make you famous. Wishing on a nigga that become the greatest, oh yeah. Start a vibe in the meanwhile, and my man them YC stay crease on. It's a whole lot of hoes playing roles now. I may have to talk in code on the phones now, hey. She got me trying to leave the studio. But my first love, I just can't seem to let it go. Imagine if I let you take my juice. You'd run away and prove me right about you. And it feels to know your ex was mad about us dating. So the motion is to keep you fully hydrated, girl. It's a mad vibe when I'm with you, baby girl, you're the only one.
And as always, after processing hair, I always go in with my silicone mix with the argan oil in it and deep condition for at least up to 30 minutes or more. And this is how the color is looking after it's been air drying, and now it's about 10% damp. So after I decided where I wanted my part to be, I wanted a side part, and so now I'm just molding the hair down. The hair is still a little bit damp, so I'm just kind of working with it with the hot comb. Before applying, I'm not styling just yet. I'm just kind of straightening the hair with 1 or 2 passes just to get some of the frizz out. So before I get started, I'm just clipping the hair out of the way, and I'm using some of my makeup powder to apply to the wig cap. Sorry about how the cap is looking. I was kind of in a rush, so I wasn't really too worried about how the cap was looking for this video. But it still got the job done. So now I'm just using my bolt hole lace glue, and I'm applying the lace glue, and I'm just going to be evening it out, and I'll be doing this 2 times. The second time I apply the lace glue, I'll be using the Got To Be Freeze spray on top of that so that it gets it more tacky. And also doing that method, it helps the glue and the lace stick to your head a lot longer. So while wearing this wig, I was able to let this wig last on my head for about 2 weeks without retouching it. Before I wrap the hair up and melt that lace to my scalp, I just kind of use the foam wrap to mold the hair and, you know, just kind of get the hair straight. And I know what y'all thinking, she didn't add any baby hairs. I'm not a huge fan of baby hairs. Normally, when I do these types of videos or apply a lace to my head, I do not use any baby hairs. But for this particular wig, I actually did do baby hairs, but I did it off camera. So I let this scarf sit on my hair for approximately 10 minutes just so that the lace melts into my scalp. And now I'm just going to be adding some messy curls, like beach curls, with my curling wand so that it gives the hair more style and more volume. So yeah, this concludes this video. I hope you guys enjoy, like and subscribe, and just let me know in the comment section if you all would be interested in the giveaway.
I'm a boss, yeah. Shooting star can make you famous. Wishing on a nigga that be kinda great.